So today we're going to make this chicken curry. What we're going to do is do this in a pressure cooker. You chuck the whole lot in the pressure cooker, let it do its thing, job done, beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so chicken. I've got chicken thighs there. There's about a kg. I think it's just actually a bit more than 1 kg, 2.2 pound. Bone is in, skin is on. 1 cup of onion, cup of potatoes, just optional, just in there. 2 cups of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, which I've put into my food processor, blended them up. If you want, you can just chop them small. I've got a tablespoon of curry powder. I'm using a beautiful curry powder that I actually got in Mumbai when I was there last. Fresh chili, up to what you want to put in. Some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fabulous. A lot of you can't get hold of them. Try and get dried. Nothing really replaces them. Couple of tablespoons of cilantro, coriander, tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to add some salt, touch of oil, and we're going to get this all in the pressure cooker, and off we go. Okay, there's our pressure cooker. We're going to put some oil in. Now I'm going to use coconut oil. I've got a couple of tablespoons there. You can use a different oil if you want, no problem. We're going to get our chicken, and that's going to be dropped in. The bone is on, the skin is on. Then we're going to go cup of onions, a few potatoes, fresh chili, curry leaves if you can get them, cilantro, coriander, ginger garlic paste, tablespoon of that, tablespoon of a beautiful curry powder, salt, 2 cups of tomatoes. You can see that I got mine in the blender, and then water. That's like 3 cups of water. Right, that's it, you've done it. Lid's going to go on. We're going to bring it to pressure. Now all pressure cookers are different. My one, that's going to go on. Once it gets to pressure, the pressure point, I'm going to let it go for about 9 minutes. Beautiful, really good. Cooked and nice. Doesn't take long. Chicken cooks really, really easily. And there you have it, really simple. Chuck it all in the pressure cooker, let it do its thing, job done. Super, super, super. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.